This certified 2019 Toyota Corolla LE is the perfect car for someone that wants to save thousands on gas. It's rated at 28 miles per gallon in the city and 36 miles per gallon on the highway, so you won't find yourself stopping at gas stations very often. Let's not forget that the Corolla also has that classic Toyota reliability. It'll get you anywhere at any time. And with seating for up to 5 people and a 13 cubic foot trunk, it's ready to do just that. This vehicle is a certified used vehicle, which means it underwent a rigorous 160-point inspection and has a clean Carfax. To sweeten the deal, Toyota of Iowa City also covers 2 years of complimentary routine maintenance on their used vehicles. The exterior features LED daytime running lights and headlights and silver 16-inch wheels. The inside is fitted with premium cloth seating, automatic climate control, and a 6.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Bluetooth, a USB port, and a 6-speaker audio system. This Corolla is loaded with safety features to keep its occupants safe, including automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane keeping assist, and a pre-collision warning system. At just $16,980 and 38,000 miles, this car is perfect for students, recent graduates, and those that want a dependable, safe, and inexpensive car with the latest technology. Ask a question about this Corolla using the chat feature in the bottom right corner of your screen. Give us a call at 319-351-1501 or stop by our showroom at 1445 Highway 1 West in Iowa City, Iowa.